What's up, guys? This is Dominic with Meyers RV in Madison, Ohio, bringing you this 263 RK. Let's take a look at it. So I figured we'd start by taking a look on the inside. On the inside, first door, you got the king-size bed, giant closet, and behind this door, washer-dryer prep. Got a beautiful solid door, sliding door instead of a curtain. And look at this living space. That is fantastic. Couch that turns into a bed, very simple. Dinette that turns into a bed as well if you ever have anybody spending the night. Bathroom, pretty spacious. Nice counter space. There's the shower. Got some decent storage in here. Motion sensor lighting right there. Nice space. Another thing that I noticed is that they do not put their vents on the floors, which is nice for cleaning, makes it a lot easier. Got this beautiful fireplace. Put the TV right there, right in front of the couch, so you're not turning your head. It's in a great spot. Looks like you got a little speaker as well. Storage underneath the dinette. Looks like there's a little bit of storage under there as well. Pretty spacious, actually. It goes all the way to the wall. Plenty of cabinet space in the kitchen. Look at that counter space. Beautiful. That is wonderful. Not the best room for a garbage can, to be completely honest with you, but I'm sure you could figure something out. Still got the 3-burner stovetop and an oven. Microwave, it is a smaller microwave, nothing too big, nothing fancy. A little extra storage space up there. Decent fridge, 12-volt fridge. Decent size. Get the job done. Put your fish, turkey, and your steaks in there. This is pretty cool. They've got a spot to hang your hoodies on those chilly nights at the campsite, spot for the shoes so they're not in the way, and you can close the door so that way you don't have to look at any of it. Got your 15,000 BTU AC. It is 50 amp, so you could always put a second AC up front if you wanted to do that. Another thing that they have is these accordion style shades. Pretty easy to move. Same over here. And then they also, the nice thing is they got the USB, USB-C charging ports right next to the couch, right next to the dinette. That way you can always have a charged device. This thing's pretty sweet. Let's take a look at the outside. Taking a look on the outside, you got those 2 doors, 20-foot awning. Cool thing about this storage compartment is it's actually the quick access to your washer dryer prep. Now this does have an enclosed and heated underbelly. Also is prepped for solar as well. 2 20-pound propane tanks, power tongue jack. Beautiful look, that tuxedo look, that black and white. You do have manual stabilizing jacks. Little extra storage on this side. And then you got your battery disconnect over here as well. And your shower. Another thing that I like is that they do these magnets. Magnets are super easy, nice, quick, no problems. They do have the cable slides. Two slides. The back one is rack and pinion. It actually has 2 spots where it's mounted. Coming around the back, you got your 50 amp service. Back here, you got your ladder prep, your backup camera prep. You have a spare tire. And then you do have a tankless hot water heater as well. A lot of campers go into that. It's a beautiful thing. Propane connect is over here. In the back where you'd expect it to be. This thing is pretty sweet. Another thing that I'm seeing, can't really make it too far. There's a lot of water going on. But it looks like, yep, the heated unclosed underbelly, but spot to hook up the dogs. Or even a cat. Maybe you bring your cat camping with you. This has been Dominic with Meyers RV in Madison, Ohio, taking a look at the 263 RK DELLA TERRA. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment. Look forward to seeing you in the next one.